Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Threefold Faith, Chapter 17, Shloka 24 and 25. Therefore, with the utterance of Om are begun the acts of sacrifice, gifts, and austerity as enjoined in the scriptures, always by the students of Brahma.
Chapter 17, Shloka 24. Tasmat Om iti udahritya yajnadanatapakriyaha pravartante vidanuktaha satatam brahmavadinam.
Uttering Tat without aiming at the fruits are the acts of sacrifice and austerity, and the various acts of gift performed by the seekers of liberation.
Chapter 17, Shloka 25. Tadidyana visandhaya phalam yajnatapakriyaha danakriyascha vividaha kriyante mokshakankshibhihi.
Chapter 17, Shloka 24 and 25. When are we to use the term Om? Om is uttered while acts of sacrifice, gift, and austerity are undertaken by the seekers of life divine. To invoke in our mind with divine awareness and the absolute supremacy of the infinite as expressed in Om is to add purpose and meaning to all acts of sacrifice, charities, and austerities. This releases us from our limited life of egocentric attachments. As a result, as the mind is liberated from its limitations, it becomes more efficient in austerities, more selfless in yagnas, and more liberal in charities. Shloka 25. When is Tat used? Seeker of life divine must remove the cause of their attachments, selfish desires, self-centeredness, and agitations by performing activities which will exhaust the vasanas. This can be achieved by actions performed with the right mental attitude. Lord says that with the utterance of the Tat alone, the acts of sacrifice, austerity, and gift are undertaken by the seekers of liberation without expectation of any reward. Tat indicates the universal truth and it declares the oneness of all living creatures. Thus, to work with no ego in the field of yagna or tapas or dana with a mind turned up to Tat, the universal oneness of the spiritual truth, is to relieve ourselves from our attachments to sense objects and beings. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.